Hi friends, in the last video we know that what is a selection statement and what are the different types of selection statement. In simple terms, selection statement are used to take decision. From that first category we can call it as one way decision, one way decision statement, or we can also call it as unidirectional control statements. So the both things we can call it as one name, that is called it as simple if statement. So in this video we are going to talk about the concept of simple if statement. So right, if is a keyword and this if keyword is associated with text expression. So what is a text expression, how to write text expression, I given already information in previous video, please check it. So if given text expression is true, then group of statements will be executed. So if you want to write only one statement, these flower brackets are not required. So the same statement we can also write like this. If is a keyword, immediately we have to define text expression followed by statement. Statement means only one statement. For only one statement, not required any kind of flower braces. So this is nothing but only one statement. Whenever you want to write more than one statement, you must be define flower braces. If only one, you can define flower braces. Without flower braces also acceptable. So this is the concept of simple if statement and this is the syntax of simple if statement. So let us work with the flow diagram. We need to perform particular action. We need text expression. How to define this text expression? With the help of if. So whenever you define a text expression, that is under like this. Okay, so the decision always in diamond symbol, and if it is true, true block, that means statements are executed. So this is the true. Whenever it is false, there is no action, right? Okay, so and ultimately these two are coming for the next statement. So this is the way we have to define text expression in the simple if. So this is nothing but working of simple if. Okay, so for example, we can take a general example like if you feel very hungry, then you have to eat food, otherwise there is no action. Similarly, if we win the match, we are going to be celebrate. If rain is going on, we go by some car or some bus or some auto, otherwise regular flow, right? So these are the examples we have to discuss in the concept of simple if. Let us take example. So the example is we are taking n value from the keyboard. So if n value is the 9, so then I am writing condition like if is the keyword followed by text expression. So the text expression is n equal to 9, single equal to means assignment, double equal to means no assignment, there is no semicolon. So I am writing printf 9 is one of the popular number, one of the popular and favorite number for most of the people. So like that I'm writing some kind of statement. So when n value is the 9, then only this statement will be executed. If n value is 1, 2, 3 or any other number other than 9 is, then this statement is not executed. This is the basic example of simple if. So let us take one more example. Once you have to observe this program. In this program we are reading n value. If n value is the 9, so 9 is the favorite color. If you give other value like 2 or 3, no output. Let us take one more example like we are taking character. So that is nothing but char ch means character. We are taking characters from the keyboard with the help of scanf. Okay, So I'm taking character. If I'm going to take the character like y, then enjoy. I'm going to write enjoy. Okay, so if I got a character like n, so read. So this is a simple if, right? For simple if, whenever I want to get y only, I'm taking the action. Okay, if I'm going to take n means read is an action. So how to execute the program? Let us go with the example like if ch double equal to means comparison. So what we have to compare? Y. So the y value must be in single quotation because every character must be defining under single quotation, right? If ch equal to y, then I'm going to write printf in double quotation backslash n enjoy, right? Similarly, if ch double equal to small n, so the small n must be in single quotation because it is a character, there is no semicolon based on the syntax. So printf backslash n, so read. See, you have to press y means enjoy will be expected. If you press n means read is expected. So let us work with the examples. In this program, we are reading character. If character is small y, you will get the output enjoy. If character is small n, you will get the output is read.